Here is LA Fitness. Outside. There's our car right here. Boo and Coco. After working out. We're probably the last ones to leave every night. There's our one of the workers in there. That's his car. It's a Honda.
You cannot do that stuff anymore?
Ours is,
Oh,
well,
you still can't.
you take a guess what it is. And today is Friday. They
Hey,
close early
Emson.
today.
Hey, if Emson, you're watching, look, we all got eye touch.
Jimmy,
you
too.
know,
Don't forget
with,
Jimmy, because
with camera. Jimmy, why did you leave, man? I don't know why you leave, but look.
Wait. Try
look,
show me there.
Look, see?
Oh.
Look.
Oh!
Look, camera, and I touch it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know, non-Chuukese have
Hold
this.
on, you gotta show them this.
Except
too.
us.
You gotta show them how wide the screen is. See,
I know,
look
yeah.
At this. Look at this wide screen. HD.
Yeah.
Look at this box I'm in. So big. Look at your videos.
What kind of cameras do you have? Look, we got. See, look. iPod there, 32 gig. 32 gig. No can afford 32 gig.
Yeah.
It's like $800. Can you afford that much? Oh, no can do. Hold on. Look, and you can watch yourself. See, look. Oh, look at yourself. Look at yourself. Oh, look at yourself. See? I watch myself. See, look. You watch myself. In the screen.
You gotta put that on. Please.
Yep, this is going on YouTube.
Oh.
And so, tonight is Friday night. Time, 10 o'clock.
Shit. What the fuck already?
And we're out.